I'm going to teach you everything I know about traveling with credit card rewards for free. Hundreds and thousands of hours of researching, scripting, filming, and delivering value to you so that way you can make your next vacation into a bucket list destination for less. And the only thing I ask of you in return is to share a video or my channel to someone that you think would be beneficial if you enjoy it yourself. And then the next time you apply for a credit card, consider using one of my affiliate links down in the descriptions in any of my videos. And if you're wondering who I am, my name's Michael. I am a nurse with a full-time desk job that's just really passionate about this hobby of points and miles. I don't travel for a living. I'm not one of those influencers that's taking 20 business class flights in a year. I'm just a regular person like you that's trying to see the beautiful world that we live in. And I want to teach other regular people like us just because why not? I enjoy helping people. And so I've organized this channel into 3 playlists so far. There's step 0, which is for those who are completely new to the hobby where you learn the basics. I've got step 1, which is all about earning miles and the different ways of doing so. That's where you'll find a lot of information about various credit cards. And then I've got step 2, which is all about redeeming points and miles to various destinations and different tools that would be helpful in that endeavor. I appreciate you watching and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.